Creating quizzes is very similar to creating a new survey. On our left hand side here, we'll click on the option for quizzes, and we'll add our new first quiz set. This is our first quiz set. With all Alpha Study content, we can add content or embed content from another site, or we can add a description here. The ability to add the content from, for example, Google Docs. We just embed the code here, or we can embed a YouTube video or media from any other website. We can leave the default settings here for all questions on one page. With quizzes, we can set the number of attempts allowed and also the maximum time for each attempt, and we can show the answers at the end or after each attempt. So we'll just click on OK, and this is our first quiz created. Now we just need to add our question. So what is the color of the sky? Once again, we can add in some media here or images from our PC or from our repository. Just for illustration, I might just add in a Word doc. And we can select multiple choice with a unique answer, multiple choice with multiple answers, the true or false, fill in the blanks, or matching. It's pretty much standard training and compliance questions. We'll have a multiple choice with a unique answer, and we'll still say blue. Let's just select the answer, and yes, you have answered correctly. And we'll give a weighting of 1 mark for the correct answer. Yellow, some days are yellow. We'll just add a few more responses just by clicking on the icon on the bottom here. Yellow, purple, some days the skies are purple, and green. And we'll OK that. So what is the color of the sky? That's our sample question with the possible responses here. And what we can do is actually go back to our quiz, and you'll notice it's actually displayed invisible at the moment. If we just enable that to be visible and try our first quiz. What's the color of the sky? Blue. Finish the test. Yes, you've answered it correctly. That was our comment. A score of 1 out of 1. Your total score was 1, and we can click on finish. Now, as users start to participate in your site, you can actually go back to your site statistics and view the participation. So we can see there's access to tools for the quizzes, the repository. There's been one quiz response here. You can actually get detailed statistics on each individual question in the quiz, the participants' worst and best scores, and statistics on the worst and best scores and average score per question. We can drill down to that user, and we can see their score and attempt and the time completed. So that's an example of creating our first quiz. Similar to the surveys, we can export the quiz and import the quiz back in. We can view the statistics for the whole quiz, exactly the same with the survey. Now with exporting, that means we can basically take out the whole quiz and import it into another Alpha Study site. And so it's also SCORM compliant, and similar to the surveys as well, you can export that out and import that into another Alpha Study site. That way your sites remain portable, and you can continue to create multiple sites and share your questions and your resources together.